Let's try to understand first part of the photosynthesis, that is light reaction. Light reaction takes place in the chloroplast. So let's try to see this diagram. This whole huge green oval or circle is a chloroplast. This white part in between is a stroma. And whatever you see this dark green oval, that is a thylakoid, and inside part is the thylakoid lumen. If you see this membrane, thylakoid membrane, you can see there are multiple block boxes available on the membrane. This is nothing but pH system 2, that is photosystem 2, cytochrome complex, photosystem 1, enzyme called NADP reductase, and another enzyme called ATP synthetase. We are going to understand role of these four blocks in the light reaction today. Light reaction starts with water molecule. When water molecule diffuses inside the cell, it diffuses in the chloroplast and enters in the thylakoid lumen. Meanwhile, the sun energizes photosystem, solar energy energizes this photosystem too, and it helps to split up this water molecule. So hydrogen ions are removed from oxygen. The electrons which are there, that is protons, are removed and electrons move to photosystem 2. This electron moves to photosystem 2. Now this oxygen atom binds with another oxygen atom from another process, like another water molecule splits up, and then oxygen molecule diffuses afterwards out of the chloroplast and then cell. Now meanwhile, these energized electrons start bumping or jumping from photosystem 2 to a electron acceptor, which is known as cytochrome complex. When it jumps to cytochrome complex, it pulls the proton. It pulls the proton from stroma, and as soon as it pulls the proton, this activated electron moves to photosystem 2, and this proton enters in the lumen. Similar way, this electron again moves to cytochrome complex. It pulls the proton. Again, electron moves to photosystem 1. Protons come inside. All these protons remain inside the lumen now. We are going to talk about these protons later. Let's see what happens with these electrons. Meanwhile, photosystem 1 also gets energized by sun or solar energy. And because of this extra energy, the electrons move on to the electron acceptor. Now this electron carrier or this electron acceptor first is an enzyme called NADP reductase. NADP reductase use these electrons, and whatever the NADP is present, which is a mobile electron carrier, this NADP reductase with this NADP in the presence of NADP reductase accepts a proton which is available in the stroma, and these electrons, activated electrons, are pass from NADP reductase to NADP. As soon as NADP reductase acts with NADP proton and electron, it forms NADPH. Meanwhile, these protons which are accumulated in the lumen, it makes the gradient. That means proton concentration in the lumen of the thylakoid is more. These protons start moving towards the ATP synthetase, and it moves out of ATP synthetase through ATP synthetase in the stroma. So as soon as it starts moving out of stroma, ATP synthetase gets activated and it acts with the ADP. It acts with the ADP. When it acts with the ADP, during that time, now see, protons are moved out and ADP is with ATP synthetase. ATP is formed. Now, this NADPH and ATP, whatever is formed in the process of light reaction, these two products will be used in the dark reaction or the Kelvin cycle, which is independent of light.